Well, guys, this has been pretty awesome. Whoa, dude! Here we are again, going pheasant hunting. Bob's coming this time, Chase is coming this time. Emma Jean's gonna run some video. We're running late, so it's my fault. I went with Phil this morning to go pick something up, and you know, took longer than what it was supposed to, yada yada. So we're supposed to be there at 1. We're gonna be there at 1:15, so hopefully they're all right with that. So.
Hey, there's the eagle nest up on the power line.
Just look at them. Oh, I missed them. I don't know how much I got of them. Everybody in the clubhouse. Yo.
Is your dad going to show us up?
Probably. I hope so.
Hey, Mr. Barone. Yeah. Can you please miss some on purpose so I don't feel so bad?
I'll probably miss a lot of them. Not on purpose. You can call me Bob. There ain't no misters here.
All right, Bob.
So maybe you.
Ho 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 ho! Shots fired already.
My apologies. There we go. Oh.
Honestly, trap shooting's a little shaky, but we'll see how it goes the rest of the day. I was the first one up the hill so I could video these guys on their way up. Here comes 3. Here comes some more of them. Look at all that orange coming at us. A little bit closer. Emma's gonna win the race. All right, how do you feel after climbing the hill? Fine? How do you feel after climbing the hill?
I'm ready to shoot some birds.
You ready? How you feel? All right. How you feel after climbing the hill? He's feeling He's feeling Hey guys, how do you feel after walking up the hill?
Old and fat.
Old and fat. How about you guys? Thumbs up from Josh.
For another one.
I left my breath down at the bottom.
All right, guys. There's 10 stations. 2 stations will have 2 guys in it. They're going to go so many birds, and then they'll rotate. If you're on 1, you go to 3. If you're in 3, you go to 5. You stay with an odd number. If you're on 9, you come back to 1. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 10 goes back to 2. You can shoot from the time you see the bird until the vertical. That wooden bar will remind you can't go past that. Last year a guy ducked it down and shot the 2 before in half. Oh, Jesus. We don't want to do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. If you see a bird that goes down on the ground, don't shoot it on the ground because there's a retriever on the way to shoot it. We don't want to shoot the dog. If anybody's gun breaks, just tell us to stop. We'll stop till we get the problem fixed and get another gun or whatever. If anybody runs out of shells or if there's any problem, you guys want us to stop, we'll stop until we get the problem taken care of.
So we just be ready. Get your gun into position.
Safety off now?
Not until so once you see one, so do like half mount. So we're gonna stand here like this. That way when we see a bird, we just flip the safety off, pull our gun up, and then we can go ahead and follow through with a shot. So right now I'm like half mount. You want to tuck it right here. This is a pretty nice position. That way you can rest your elbows on yourself, kind of help hold the weight, And then once you see one, you flip your safety off and aim and shoot. Ready, shoot it. Yeah, okay. I got that one. Oh.
There's one. Too far to the left.
Yep. He coming back. Go ahead, try it. Hey, Blake got it! Nice shooting, dude!
Hell yeah.
Blake got it!
Thank you.
I don't think so. You ready, Blake? Yeah, I almost pulled the trigger, but I want to shoot over his head.
I didn't want to either.
I got her. I nailed that one.
Yeah, I missed mine, man.
I didn't even pull the trigger on that one. That's okay, though. Awesome watching the dogs work. We just got the rotate command, so we were on 1, we're heading down to 3.
Yeah, my dad's got that, man.
She down.
He's got that sick, man. He bought it with like something.
Here we go. I was waiting for it. Thank you. Somebody, yeah, Blake, I believe that you nailed that. He was out there just fluttering, and then you shot, and he went woo down. There he goes, there he goes. That was a good shot. Who was that?
Tucker, there's still a bird out there.
Nice shot, Josh. Wow, that was cool.
It floated up there like a
Yeah,
kite for him,
yeah.
didn't it?
Just like, hey guys, bet you can't get me. There he goes, there he goes.
You guys are shooting pretty doggone good.
Well, thanks. We all got to warm up down there with the fake ones.
I didn't even shoot that one, man.
I'm gonna try to film with my phone when I get over to that station.
I don't know if I got that one or not.
I didn't even pull the trigger. Good dog, good boy.
He wasn't ready.
2 over. He's probably trying to get one staged and it got loose.
I take it that one got away.
Yep, exactly.
So is that 3 now?
That's 3.
And they're all on that side. They ain't even over here.
Everybody down there's getting bored. I come around, you don't know what's on flat.
They're all sitting on the ground, flipping a piece with their hat.
Picking petals off the flowers.
She loves me. She doesn't. She
Yeah.
loves me.
Here we go! There, about the 4th or 5th shot got that one. Whoa, dude! I'm glad I had. Oh. Glad I had the camera on that one. Right here. That bird. That was a good one to have on the camera.
Yeah,
that was sweet.
Dude, I told you it's the camera.
Dude.
I'm telling you.
Dude, it almost flew right into the camera.
You gotta send that one to me.
There it goes.
Dude, did you see that thing?
Well, guys, this has been pretty awesome. We're gonna go. We got 3 birds. Out of all of them they threw, 3 of them got away. One of them was because it kind of got away from the thrower. So we're gonna go after them, see if we can get those 3. All right, guys, what do you think? Did you have fun?
It was awesome.
Oh yeah, good time.
You had fun?
Real good
Dana?
We're gonna need a shoulder.
You have some fun?
I'm definitely bringing turkey shells next time.
Emma Jean, what do you think? Is that cool?
Pretty good.
You get some blasting in?
I like number 6 over there. Killed about 3 or 4 right there. So.
Okay.
I think I
Nice.
might head over there and go after those 3.
Yeah, we're gonna have to send somebody over there.
Yeah, we're going after those 3.
Yeah. Did we get that last one?
Yeah, it finally went down after everybody unloaded on it.
Dude, I canoed one. I felt bad for that one.
I shot one twice. Like I said, poop, and it pooped it again.
Josh, didn't I smack you with my butt last time too?
Your gun stock end, not your butt.
Oh, okay. I don't know what it is about you and touching my butt, but it's getting a little weird.
You got close to my face, man. Now he's actually gonna tip you.
That's good. I don't want that.
Only weird if you're both.
Look at this guy.
What's up, guys? What was that like?
It's like a lot of shooting.
Yeah. Did you have fun? Did you have a blast?
It was awesome.
We gotta go find these other 3.
3 more.
Ooh.
We're at 2 boxes of shells.
I don't know if I'm chasing those.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Oh, look at this one.
Some of the loot here.
Dude, I'm telling you, there's a bee. I don't even know what it was. It was mixed between a carpenter bee and a
Big old one.
hornet, dude. I don't even. It wasn't no honey.
Hey, you got one right there.
What are the colors on this?
Look at that
Oh
thing.
my.
I'm gonna swing around here and get it from the sun side.
Look at them good Pixons. I forgot to get my fork though.
Unreal.
She looks.
My number rang.
Best part of the day.
Yeah, man, I'm hungry. I can't wait to eat that stuff.
That one didn't make it out of the weeds and I got it.
I'm trying.